Hey, this is Dan. We are back working on the Tacoma today. We noticed when we were doing some work underneath the Tacoma to replace the drive shaft carrier bearing that the transmission mount was also worn out. So what we've done is we purchased a well upgraded transmission mount from 4x4 Innovations, and that's what we're going to install today. So if this is something you're interested in, please stick around for the video. Now our 1997 Tacoma's got 330,000 miles on it, and like a lot of things that we found, few of these kind of wear items have been replaced, and the transmission mount is one of them. So since we were going to have to replace it, we went ahead and decided to upgrade it so we have a much beefier mount from 4x4 Innovations, specifically designed for our transmission transfer case setup. This is a super easy replacement. All you have to do is you need a floor jack to support the transmission transfer case. You need a 12 millimeter bolt, you need a 12 millimeter socket, and that's going to take the 4 bolts that thread into the base of this off. And then you need a 14 millimeter socket, and that's going to take the 4 bolts that bolt this mount up to the transmission itself. So let's go underneath the truck and see what we're looking at. So here's the existing transmission mount. So it bolts to the transmission housing on both sides, and it just has these 2 rubber isolators, and both of them have separated from the metal. So the first things we're going to do is we're going to take loose the 4 bolts down there, and then we'll go ahead and jack the transmission transfer case up using a block of wood, and then we'll get to these 14 millimeter bolts right here. So we're just going to take our 12 millimeter socket, put it on an impact. This vehicle, crap. All right, now we're going to get our floor jack and jack up the transmission. A floor jack with a spacer block. This is just a poly wheel chock, and we'll put it right underneath the transmission right here. And you just want to jack it up enough so that that mount comes loose. We're just going to take these toe bolts loose. That goes up quite a ways. There we go. Rock it forward. That's what I was missing. Not super easy to get out. All right, so you can see here where the rubber has kind of separated from the mount itself. I mean, it's still intact, but it's not tight like it's supposed to be. So in contrast, you can see the difference between the mounts. Just 1/4 inch steel versus 3/16. And we have bushings that are replaceable versus just a rubber piece. So we'll go ahead and take this and get it installed. All right, so as you saw coming out, there's 2 sides. There's this side, which is driver's side, and this side, which is the passenger side. And what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna put these back in first. so that we know it's centered, and then we'll set the transmission down on it. All right, those are in. So let's lower that transmission down. And hopefully everything lines right up. So you may need to move the transmission around or pull the bracket back to get everything to line up. So you may just have to work with whatever situation you have, depending on how things are set, to get the threads to line up nice. And so you saw we just had to push the transmission a little bit and move the bracket back. And since it's a whole lot easier to work with it right here, that's why I wanted to put the bottom end first, because I thought that this would be the harder alignment. All right, now that's done. All right, so now it's in all the way. We're going to tighten these down. This one closest to the drive shaft is just so, the front drive shaft is so tight, it's hard to get a socket wrench on it till it's all the way in. We're just using a 14mm wrench to do it. And there it is. Took about 20 minutes to do based on everything. So I think it looks really nice. I think it's going to hold this thing super secure, and another improvement to the Tacoma. So I hope you guys got something from the video, just to show you how easy it is to replace that transmission mount if yours too is cracked, or the rubber is bad, or it has separated. 4x4 Innovations makes a good product. You can certainly just replace it with what was in there from the manufacturer. I chose to upgrade mine. Like I said, hope you guys got something from the video. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, give yourself a thumbs up and give me a thumbs up. If you like the content that we're making about our Tacoma series, think about subscribing. Thanks. This is Dan from Fisher Jeep Adventures, and we'll see you next time.